Hello, welcome to my channel, Nana Kwedu Special. And you know, me Mama Kwaba. This is what I've got for you today. Some fried chicken. It looks delicious and tastes even better. You don't need to go out or anything. You can just prepare this at home. It's very easy and very nice. So first I used some garlic paste on my chicken, some ginger paste, and then I sprinkled it with some paprika powder, just like that. And then I used some chili powder, and this is some salt. And there you go. And then I use some white pepper as well. After that, I add some soy sauce to it, and then I mix all of my spices well into the chicken. This is some all-purpose season which I forgot to add and added later on to my chicken. And then I made sure everything was well mixed together, and then I set my chicken aside for about 30 minutes just for it to marinate well. And after that, I went on to preparing my flour. So there's 1 cup of flour and half a cup of cornstarch, some white pepper again, and this is some garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and then I mixed that all together. And what I did after that was separate it into 2 bowls, and in 1 bowl I add my egg and a little bit of water and mix that very well. And there you go, that's it. So then after my chicken has marinated for about 30 minutes, dip that into, first I dip it into the dough and then onto the flour. After that, I just put them into my oil, which was medium heat, and make sure the oil is not too hot, otherwise you get the problem that the outside will be ready whilst the inside will be still fresh. So make sure your oil is medium heat. And there you go. And you can see them browning now. And there you go, that's it. I wish you could smell my kitchen. It smells delicious. It's even better than the original. And there you have it, some very delicious deep fried chicken. It smells and tastes just delicious. There you go. Just I'm going to show you that it's all ready and it looks very, very yummy. I guess you want to take a bite. That's it. It's very easy to prepare and it's better than even going out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyamisha munyana.